Black garlic is a unique ingredient with a woodsy sweet flavor that can be easily made in a rice cooker. To make black garlic, purchase unpeeled garlic, preferably solo garlic. Ensure the garlic is clean by wiping it with a damp paper towel. Place a small rack and paper towel in the bottom of the rice cooker and arrange the cleaned garlic heads on top. Close the lid and set the rice cooker on the keep warm setting for 10 days. Once the garlic heads are black and dry, remove them from the rice cooker. Store the black garlic in an airtight container for up to 6 months, avoiding refrigeration. To use black garlic, you can blend it with oil to make a spreadable paste, or you can dehydrate and grind it to make it a seasoning powder. Alternatively, you can slice the black garlic and scatter it over salads or pasta as a garnish.